Bivona, in the province of Agrigento, is located on the green and picturesque valley of the Magazzolo River, nestled between Castello Lake and the rocky peak of Roses Mountain, just a few tens of kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea. The origin of Bivona dates back to 1160, at the time of the Arab-Norman domination. Between the 15th and 16th centuries, Bivona is one of the major feudal towns of Sicily, and it was the first to be named duchy by Charles V in 1554, when the same emperor gave to the town the title of city. Culturally lively, Bivona is the city of music. Numerous concerts and events are organized by the local music school Gasparello Nigro, that involves many young musicians. Because of its position, through downy oak woods, Mediterranean pine woods, streams and grasslands, Bivona is the institutional headquarters of Sicani Regional Natural Park. Fauna, in particular avifauna, is rich and interesting, typical of the hilly Mediterranean hinterland. Bivona has an ancient and particular food and culinary tradition, which derives from its Arabic heritage. Among streets and squares of the ancient medieval village, the atmosphere is full of mystery, ancient Sicilian traditions, peacefulness and naturalness. Bivona has an agricultural economy, and it is known for cultivation and the renowned peach called Pesca Bivona EGP, protected geographical indications. Bivona €1 Houses project aims to restore and improve buildings located in the Bivona Old Town, bringing it back to its historical function of life and culture center. €1 houses are uninhabited and in bad conditions. They are owned by private citizens who have no interest in restoring these buildings. The houses are sold to buyers at the symbolic amount of €1. The Municipality of Bivona is the guarantee of compliance with the provisions set out in the Bivona €1 Houses rules, but it does not intervene in negotiations between sellers and buyers. Those who buy a Bivona €1 house have some commitments: preparing and registering the restoring executive project in compliance with the provisions of the current building rules of the municipality, bearing the costs, known excluded, connected to the change of ownership of the building, starting works within a year from the date of issue of the building permit, and finishing works no later than 3 years from the start. Municipality requests to stipulate a €2,500 surety policy for a period of 3 years to guarantee the purchaser's security.